Welcome back to our channel, fellow seekers of personal development and growth. Today, we have a life-changing treat in store for you. Get ready to be motivated, inspired, and uplifted as we present to you one of the best speeches by the legendary Les Brown. This speech is a true game changer that will transform your life. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to be empowered. Section 1. Les Brown's inspiring journey. Les Brown's life serves as a testament to the power of perseverance and overcoming adversity. Born into poverty and labeled as educable mentally retarded during his early school years, his journey has been nothing short of extraordinary. Despite facing numerous obstacles, Les Brown never allowed circumstances to define his destiny. Section 2. Power of believing in yourself. One of the profound lessons Les Brown imparts in this speech is the importance of believing in yourself. He passionately communicates that self-belief is the key to unlocking your potential and achieving greatness. Les Brown urges us to silence the voices of doubt and cultivate an unwavering faith in our abilities. Section 3. The art of goals and dreams. Les Brown emphasizes the significance of setting goals and dreams to ignite the fire within. He shares compelling stories and captivating examples that illustrate how dreams are the fuel that propels us towards our desired destinies. Through his speech, you will discover the power of visualizing your goals and manifesting them into reality. Section 4. Overcoming fear and failure. Fear and failure are universal obstacles that we all encounter in our pursuit of success. Les Brown, in his powerful speech, provides practical insights and strategies to overcome these roadblocks. His words will ignite a formidable courage within you, propelling you to push past your fears and embrace failure as a stepping stone towards your greatness. Section 5. The power of your inner circle. Les Brown underscores the importance of surrounding yourself with a supportive and empowering inner circle. He advocates for creating an environment that uplifts, motivates, and pushes you to become the best version of yourself. His words will encourage you to evaluate your relationships and cultivate connections that fuel your growth. Section 6. Embrace the power of change. Change is the only constant in life, and Les Brown elucidates how embracing change can lead to tremendous personal growth. Throughout his speech, he highlights the significance of adapting to new circumstances and being willing to transform yourself along the way. His words will resonate deeply, reminding you that change is an opportunity for self-reinvention. Wow, that was truly an incredible speech from Les Brown, filled with wisdom, inspiration, and motivation. Take his words to heart and listen to this speech every day to experience a profound transformation in your life. Remember, you have the power within you to make your dreams a reality, and Les Brown's invaluable insights will guide you on this incredible journey. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video inspiring, give it a thumbs up and share it with friends who need a dose of motivation. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more empowering videos like this. Until next time, stay driven and keep taking steps towards achieving the life you desire.